Accurate thinking is the ability to think critically, balancing emotions with logic. Here are some characteristics of accurate thinkers. Accurate thinkers are very open-minded. The reason for this is that they receive information without bias. An accurate thinker takes in every information with an open mind. No bias. Then shift the information through the grinding mill of thought and consideration before deciding on it. They are continuous learners. Once you are an accurate thinker, you will find that you engage in conscious learning. Your curiosity makes you to seek out information and retain it. Because it is not what you hear that forms the basis of your decision, it is what you retain in the process. They are not distracted by other thoughts that surround the conversation. Balanced evaluation of every decision. Emotion is the strong drive that allows you to do things. It is the feeling that gets you started. But because it is not able to moderate itself, it can lead to paths other than the desired path. Thus, accurate thinkers combine emotions with logic to get desired results. Undistracted thinking. Accurate thinkers can think effectively without the added pressure of distractions. Quiet concentration. Accurate thinkers can concentrate on things for a very long time. Examples of accurate thinkers include Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, and Mahatma Gandhi. Albert Einstein concentrated deeply to develop his theory of relativity. Nelson Mandela focused deeply on creating a rainbow nation where the whites and the blacks coexist peacefully, and Mahatma Gandhi focused on taking his nation back from the British. Mother Teresa equally conceived of a world of kindness and compassion, and because of her works, she was able to impact the world through her works. Accelerated achievements. Accurate thinkers think accurately because they do not spend their time on irrelevant things. They have more time to focus on their goals. So ask yourself, are you an accurate thinker?